All right, here's a little update on the lift kit. So let's talk about this kit a little bit. So there's a big spacer right there that goes above the spring. That's still the factory strut spring assembly. There's a new knuckle right there, new tie rod in. Now the lower control arms get dropped down with that bar right there. And then there's another crossbar in the back. And also the front differential gets dropped down. You can see there's a couple brackets right there. So that's what I've been doing. It's taking a long time to get this done. So that's why I haven't been posting many videos, because I've just been working on this. But overall, it's a nice kit. Everything seems to be working out pretty good. And that's just for the front suspension. I still have to do the rear suspension. I will have videos of the full installation coming soon, so check those out. The kit is by Rough Country. This truck could be a Rough Country spokesperson. We got that. We got the steps and the front bull bar. That's Rough Country as well. I think we got Rough Country floor mats. What do you think, Rough Country?